Hi, welcome to Daily English Avenue channel. Today topic is why your mouth is the key to fluent English. Many people believe that learning English is about memorizing grammar rules, learning thousands of words, or reading big books. But the truth is simple and sometimes uncomfortable. You do not learn to speak English by studying English. You learn to speak English by speaking English. Most English learners understand English very well. They can read articles, watch movies, and understand YouTube videos. But when it is time to speak, something strange happens. The mouth becomes silent. The mind becomes afraid. The heart beats fast. This is not because you are bad at English. This is because your mouth is not trained. Speaking English is a physical skill, just like playing football, swimming, or riding a bicycle. You cannot learn swimming by reading about water. You must enter the water. In the same way, you must train your mouth to speak English. This lecture will teach you why your mouth refuses to speak, how to train your mouth step by step, how to speak English without fear, how to become fluent even if you start from zero. This is not magic. This is training. The biggest lie about speaking English. The biggest lie English learners believe is, I will speak English when my English becomes perfect. This day never comes. You wait to speak because your grammar is not perfect. Your pronunciation is not perfect. Your vocabulary is not perfect. But fluency does not come from perfection. Fluency comes from movement. Children speak before they know grammar. They make mistakes every day, but they still speak confidently. Why? Because their mouths are trained, not their grammar books. If you wait for perfection, you will stay silent forever. Why your mouth feels heavy when you speak English? Have you noticed this? You know the sentence in your mind, but your mouth cannot say it. Words come slowly. Your pronunciation feels strange. This happens because your mouth muscles are trained for your native language. English uses different sounds. Your tongue, lips, and jaw are not familiar with English movements. Your mouth is like a gym muscle. If you don't use it, it becomes weak. English speaking is mouth training, not mind training. English is a physical skill, not just knowledge. Let us compare. Skill. How you learn. Swimming. By swimming. Cycling. By cycling. Driving. By driving. Speaking English. By speaking. You cannot learn speaking by watching videos only, reading grammar books only, listening silently. You must move your mouth every day. Even broken English is better than silent English. Train your mouth, the first rule. Speak out loud, always. Reading silently does not train your mouth. You must read sentences out loud. Talk to yourself. Describe your actions. Repeat after audio. Example, instead of thinking, I am going to the market. Say it loudly. I am going to the market. Your room does not judge you. Your wall does not laugh at you. Your phone does not criticize you. Speak loudly. Speak clearly. Speak daily. Talking to yourself, the secret weapon. Talking to yourself is not madness. It is language training. Daily self-talk examples. Now I am waking up. I am brushing my teeth. Today I feel tired but motivated. I am learning English to change my life. Do this 10 minutes in the morning, 10 minutes at night. Your mouth will slowly accept English as normal. Kill the fear of mistakes. Mistakes are not enemies. Mistakes are teachers. Every fluent speaker once said, wrong grammar, wrong pronunciation, wrong words. But they continued. Remember, people laugh less than you think. And even if they laugh, you still grow. Silence makes you weak. Mistakes make you strong. Fluency is speed, not grammar. Fluency means speaking smoothly, not stopping every second, communicating ideas clearly. Fluency does not mean perfect grammar, perfect accent. Bad grammar with confidence is better than perfect grammar with silence. Shadow speaking train like a native. Shadow speaking means listening to a sentence, repeating immediately, copying rhythm, speed, and emotion. Example, audio. I believe in myself. You repeat, I believe in myself. Do this daily with YouTube videos, English podcasts, short speeches. Your mouth learns natural English music. Pronunciation comes from practice, not talent. You are not bad at pronunciation. You are untrained. Train. TH soundness, that, think. Our sound right, road. The NW difference vary per word. Repeat 50 times. Your mouth will obey. Think less, speak more. Many learners translate in their mind. This slows speaking. Instead, use simple sentences. Speak what comes first. Do not correct yourself too much. Simple English is powerful English. Daily English speaking routine 30 minutes. 10 minutes, read aloud. 10 minutes, self-talk. 10 minutes, shadow speaking. Do this for 90 days. You will not recognize your own voice. English confidence is built, not given. Confidence is not something you wait for. Confidence is something you build. Each day you speak, confidence increases, fear decreases. One sentence today is better than silence today. Stop comparing yourself to others. Someone started before you. Someone has better accent. So what? Your only competition is yesterday's silence. English will change your identity. When you speak English, you feel powerful. You think globally. You gain opportunities. English is not just a language. It is a new version of you. Speak even when you are afraid. Fear will come. Speak anyway. Fear will shake. Speak anyway. Your mouth must move. Your future depends on it. Motivation. One day you will thank yourself. One day. You will speak without fear. You will laugh in English. You will express your emotions freely. And you will say, I am proud I did not quit. Conclusion, train your mouth, change your life. English fluency is not a gift. It is a habit. Train your mouth. Use your voice. Make mistakes. Speak daily. Remember this forever. Your mouth learns by moving. Your future changes by speaking. Start today, not tomorrow, not next week. Open your mouth and speak. Like, comment, share, subscribe, keep watching. Thanks.